Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to play some Farm Sim on my own map. So we are going to get some work done and have some fun and try to make some money on here. Okay, so we are going to take manure to our greenhouse, which makes $60 an hour, I believe. Put it on cruise control. So this is not a role play. I'm gonna be doing some role plays. And if y'all have like a game, next game, choose between Farm Sim, Fortnite, or GTA 5, or more Farm Sim, or Call of Duty. So we are going to go down here. This is where our animals are. I'm gonna have to fix that right fast. Back this in here. This tractor is so good one to backing. Let's move this wheel loader out of the way. Okay, so I want you to comment comment yes or no. Yes, if you want me to keep my face in the videos. No, if you don't want me to, just a screen of playing the game and talking. Here is our cows. Here's our sheep. I'll give you a tour of the farm. This is our sheep. If they need water, no. Don't need food. Let's check that right. Yeah, they're all good. We need to see how much wool we got in the container. Just one for now. You go check on the chickens. These are our chickens. They got good food. We need to get rid of that horse food still. I think we got two crates of chicken food. We used to have horses, but now we don't. Okay, I need to do something right fast. We need to, I need to, go over here and put this all in one big pile. Okay, I'm stuck on this pile of food. Yes, we do own a field way up there, but we got to lime it next, I believe. Not sure, completely sure about that. I'm giving it a little push. I'm gonna put all the cow food, the mixed radiation, or whatever it's called, all in a big pile. I'm just dumping it everywhere. So I cannot film long, but I'm probably gonna make 2 videos tonight, one for tonight and one for tomorrow, because I'm gonna start trying to make a lot more YouTube videos. This wheel loader's stubborn. I'm not sure what that is in the bucket, but we are at 8 minutes. Oh gosh, I just scraped that. I'm glad it's not a roleplay. Okay, now I'm pretty sure or we are going to go to bed. On Farm Sim here. Or not. I'm gonna see if I can get somewhere fast. We'll probably do like 14, 15 minutes of this. Probably not even that. Probably like 13 minutes of this because, you know, it wants to shut off or it won't let me edit or anything like that if it's no longer than that. So I have to figure that situation out. And then I might be able to film a little bit longer than that. And hopefully this goes on both of my YouTube channels. Game channel. Both of my game channels. Looked like it was going out of that trailer because I thought I had some grass in it. Apparently I gave it to the cows or something. I'm probably going to end this at like 14 minutes. Okay, I hope y'all enjoy this video. See you in the next one.